This is IBM Museum, and it is late. Pretty late to put out a video, but I'm going to go through it. I'm going to do a quick unboxing and just display this item, talk about it a little bit. If you want to go through and comment back from this, or you're interested in saying something about it, I've got my live stream tomorrow morning, standard Saturday time, 10 a.m. my local time, which is Mountain Standard Time, GMT -7. That's noon Eastern Standard Time, 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, and 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So let me get turned around and get to opening this thing up. I've gone through, I've masked off everything for the address labels, at least on my side, and I can show a little bit as it comes up. I mean, in very elaborate boxing, and this is from eBay. We get a little bit of hint there as far as what it is, that AZ-COM Universal MC Extender 32 board. And there's a second one of these that's going to, as a gift from me, to another place. I know that they will appreciate that. We will probably see a little bit of content from that once they go through and they receive this particular item. And I'm wanting to cut on the seam here. Just not too deep. Of course, I don't want to cut myself. But let's see if I can get it like that. At some point, people get to where they cut enough on this packet tape and it just tears. Oh, we got styrofoam noodles. And fully styrofoam, non the old, and that's fine. It looks like the box is packed here. It does have just a little bit of bubble wrap on the bottom, and I'm sure the shipping people saw this fragile, or I guess this is probably the original box. Do not stack on top of this. There's no packing list in there, at least. Looks like a label over what may have been original shipping label. And a little bit of identification there. Everything else is blank. Well, except... So there's differing contents from this location. And we can see the MC32 checked there. They also have an MC16V. Maybe that means like a video, base video extension or auxiliary video extension. And this would be the original packaging of the item. Okay. So we have our box open, foam, a little bit discolored. I mean, you don't see much of this foam nowadays, but this is how they used to package things. And we'll look at some literature here, and of course this will be scanned in due time. Keep the power on with AZ-COM, the industry leader in electronic extenders since 1990. Electronic extenders allow you to insert and remove bus cards with the PC power on. Save time in testing. Save wear on your computers from power on-off cycling. Give computer a degree of protection from faulty cards. Got an O instead of an A for faulty. Aid in troubleshooting. And AZ-COM Incorporated has been proudly serving its customers with the industry's finest extender cards since 1990. Today, the AZ-COM Inc. extender line includes over 30 products. I don't know when today is, when they're calling today. And it's got the phone number and an area code of 510. And the fax is assumably that same area code, just instead of 1000, it's a 1900 number. I think that this little pamphlet's probably relatively dated for all that. Keep the power on with AZ-COM Inc. And there's electronic extenders. I'm going to kind of go through just showing okay, and they're pictured with the optional mini extender designed to protect the top connector from wear. And I do have microchannel extenders otherwise that extend just about the same length as these do. And we get to see how the MC32 extender looks, what the part number is, and how the MC16V mini extender looks. Even have NuBus for Apple. SIA. That's a local bus. Bus is supported. ISA, PCI, VESA, EISA, NuBus, MacLC, and microchannel. There is the little other extenders. And electronic extenders come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Trying our products is risk-free. Okay. And the first offer overcurrent sensing circuitry. Newest models allow you to change the sensing threshold with a simple dip switch or jumper settings. There's mini extenders. So I guess it's in Pleasant Hill, California. And would even have to see if that... I think this site is live. I mean, there is a page that's being composed on this as coverage. And of course, we've got to get pictures and diagrams to get up close. And limited 1-year warranty for testing and developing 16 and 32-bit microchannel cards. Okay. And as I say, I think we can maybe go over this book in a little bit more detail. And got control registers. in the live stream where I can get a little bit more commentary and maybe have people that want to look over particular aspects to this. And so there we're looking at brand new, you know, this is in bag for I mean, you can get these stickers, you can get anesthetic packaging, but this is probably factory original. I mean, it's got even the marking there. So, I mean, let's just look through. Let's kind of look through the anti-static wrap. And of course, this is going to come out. It's got to come out at some point. There's that extra bedboard area that they're talking about. We can kind of see from the diagram of what, or the picture, the image here, what this looks like ultimately. And it doesn't contain that little mini connector. It's just got the 32-bit microchannel bus, and of course plugs into a 16-bit microchannel, and then it has the connector on top, and a switch over here in this corner for going through LEDs for voltages, probably even some voltage regulators. But what say we just open this out of the anti-static wrap, because I'm going to go through for pictures immediately, and I can't do pictures in here. I depend a little bit more on the natural lighting for running my photo rig, and I need to go through and probably even get my tweener system cleared out of the way with the dry weather of winter. I'm running the heater here. I don't know if you're hearing it. I mean, there's a potential for static and stuff like that right now. So I want to control that environment a little bit more. We're going to open this tomorrow on the live stream. You know, hate me for waiting just about 12 hours exactly from the time I'm recording, you know, before I open this up on video. But, you know, we're going to do that. So this can go through and wait. I'm just going to go through. Let's do just the outro. And like I say, to tune in to my live stream tomorrow, Saturday, January the 8th, 2022, 10 a.m. in my Mountain Standard Time Zone. That's -7 GMT, noon Eastern Standard Time, 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, and 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Hopefully I got all those right. But so if you enjoyed seeing me open the box at least, and you want to see me open that anti-static bag tomorrow, go ahead and click on that like button, please, and subscribe to my channel. I've got the notification to have that live stream tomorrow. I've already got a link for it and everything else. I can even probably put it in the video description here. It's available on my channel, of course. But this is IBM Museum. That's all I have for now. Thank you.